Hi Disney fans, here we have the Cars 2 Lights and Sounds Ramone. Here we have a close-up of Ramone, and boy, he looks excellent. To activate Ramone's lights and sounds, we just press this button right here.
Easy, man. What's a paint job? I want to set you up real good for the World Grand Prix. Looking good. We gotta get you some headlights, man. Team Lightning McQueen. We gotta get you some headlights, man.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to rate, favourite, comment, share and subscribe.